you know, it's like I'm almost 20 years in human design, and this map is not the territory I only heard recently, you know. And was like, yeah, I mean, that's a very good phrase. So I would definitely point that out in the sense of like, okay, now you're handed kind of an energetic map of what it is to be human, what the human experience is all about. And the human experience is all about consciousness, it's about awareness, and how to participate in that trip, like you are now here on this planet for one time only, in this format, in this body, in this combination, and that you get to witness. And so how can this map help you have a deeper experience of what that means for you, and how can this map help you understand where other people might be coming from in their way of going about things, that we are actually quite different, and that we have different purposes, we have a different energetic places in this world, and the mind just tries to be everything and no one, and so everything gets just messed up in that sense, that no one knows their energetic place, their actual kind of function. You know, I don't want to even speak about purpose, but it's like if you look at form, everything has a function. Every cell in your body has a function. And so it's like doing and being and witnessing your function is just, well, I mean, then everything suddenly makes sense. You know, it's like, oh, that's what this cell is doing, okay? And then the people that are around you also start making sense, because it's like, oh, that's what that cell is doing. So it's really about experiencing one's function and one's energetic place in the totality in a completely different way, thanks to this map that is incredible in its details and in its pointing out in what direction, in a way, to go to do your research and to do your experience. But it's worthless if it's just studied and lived as any kind of like rule book or religious dogma, in that sense, like, okay, now these are the rules, this is what we have to do, this is how my life is going to completely turn around, because thanks to this now I'm going to, you know, finally find out, blah blah blah. They use the map. It's very helpful. It's incredible. I mean, the fact that humans have access to that kind of information is just in itself completely incredible. And yeah, I thank God I met the knowledge. I mean, for myself, I can just say that. Thank God. I was a very happy, successful person before. I had no problem on the happiness and success front, and I had lots of money and lots of friends, and I had a good life. But my life today is so much more interesting. And I mean, it can be even less happy sometimes, you know, than before. It's not about happiness in the end for me, but wow, like how interesting it has become through this knowledge, through the perspectives, you know, and that's really. And how interesting it is when someone takes it and explores with it and tells me what they see, because it's like, wow, very rich, very rich.